Today's video is going to be a very special video as I'm uploading this video after a very long time since my online exams were going on and I had some health issue. On top of that, I have also changed my channel's name from Anyone Can Be Creative to The Creative Guy, which you might have noticed in the channel art or in channel's name. Okay, so today we are going to learn how to make a water candle. So without wasting further time, let's start the video. So the material is required to make the water candle are transparent plastic glasses, acrylic or fabric colors, cotton wing which we will light up, a little amount of cooking mustard oil and a plastic sheet, somewhat like this. So let's see the procedure of making these water candles. So at first we will require a plastic sheet and a marker. With the help of this marker, we have to draw some circles in the sheet. So to draw the circles, I will take this transparent plastic cups and put them on the sheet, and with the help of the back I will draw the circles. Note that these circles need not to be accurate. See, I have drawn the circle. Similarly draw more. So as you all can see, in this way I have drawn the circles. As I have told earlier, these circles need not to be accurate. So now it's time for us to cut them. So as you all can see, I have cut the plastic circles like this. I have also made a hole in each of these circles past the cotton wing. So let's take the cotton wings and let's pass them. So passing, tie a knot in the middle, and now pass the wing, pass it through these holes. Now take a plastic cup and the oil. At first pour some water in the cup. Now pour 2 to 3 tablespoons of mustard oil into the cup. Now take this and just put it over this, and your water lamp is ready. Once you come to know about the procedure of making these water candles, you can make them of different colors like purple, red, blue and green. If you like the video, make sure you click the like button below, comment on how you feel about the video, and please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Meet with you in next video. Until then, goodbye.